there a drive shaft in my back seat? Oh, move it a little bit. Like a glove, mate. Yo. Watch my footing door cards, will ya?
Gonna work on getting the wiring harness out tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna order a whole new one. Holy shit. Oh, you son of a bitch.
I kind of cut into it a little too much.
You fucking jimmied it. What were you thinking?
My bad.
What were you thinking? I'm a little too happy with the fucking saw there, big guy. Hey, why don't you come over here and cut this off while you're at it? Holy fuck. So this all looks a bit overwhelming. This is the entire harness out of the car. We're pretty much down to skeleton for the most part. We just have to take out some of the things underneath the car, but we're gonna wait to do that until I have the racks, the stands that actually go onto the chassis so I can just roll it around on wheels. Then we'll take out everything, subframe, diff, all that shit. We got pretty much everything out of the car, and we started cutting some things, but we're gonna wait because everything's gonna get shaved down and grinded, so it's gonna look really, really clean. I fix all the rust. All of that is gonna get blocked off. I don't think I'm gonna run AC or heat in this car. I might even delete the windshield wipers. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. But yeah, so interior is completely gutted. Nothing left. Same with the trunk area. We started removing some things back there just to see what we were getting into as far as like rust and everything. We're gonna cut out the spare tire compartment and then just weld in a flat panel so it'll just be nice and flat. And, this is all, everything's gonna get redone, man. It's gonna be a crazy project. Crazy project. Whole car will get sanded down, all the body work, converted it over to the MTech 2. And then I believe on top of that, I'm doing the Pandem wide body. It's gonna be like a brand new car. Really, the next stage is gonna be getting it ready for paint. So it's just all body work. The next move is gonna be moving this thing over to my new house and then putting it up on roller stands so I can drop all of the suspension, the brakes, the diff in the back, the axles, subframes, and then it will literally be a skeleton. I'll pull the doors off and all the windows and seals, and then work on the body and get it over to the paint shop. So all the rust on this car is going to be tended to. We're going to take care of it. It's, obviously some cutting and welding going on here. Gonna even all this shit out. Lots of body work that we have to do. Lots of body work. Trans tunnel, everything is going to get resprayed under here, like factory undercoating, and then we'll end up dropping the rear subframe. We removed the entire fuel system and the brake lines, so the tank was dented. I'm gonna be replacing the entire fuel tank. Everything will look nice and new. Gonna make all new lines, all new fuel lines, all new brake lines. It's gonna look freaking beautiful. Rust here, we're gonna cut all this shit out. And then we got some rust over here that we need to tend to. So yeah, all of the rust is going to get cut out, re-welded, fixed, and then we can start talking about what we're putting into it, which is this beautiful girl over here, S54. That is getting completely refreshed with new everything. Look at that, dude. I think it's gonna get evened out. It's pretty fucked. However, for the most part, we just need to make sure that we get rid of all the rust and then seal it. A lot of this you won't even see. The kit is going to cover a lot of this shit, so we don't need to really worry about this, even though it doesn't look the greatest. But it's going to be a proper build, my friends. We have a lot of work to do. 1,000 hours? 1,000 hours, I think. We'll do, yeah, basically, and the entire underside will be all new shit. New brakes, probably stick with the 4-lug, I don't know yet, I haven't decided. Obviously, new suspension, do a different steering rack. What do we do, E46 or E36?
Yeah, I'll probably do a purple gold tag.
Purple gold tag, E46 steering rack. We'll get new control arms, all new bushings, subframe. I think we're gonna use this subframe and then just re-weld, reinforce it. We're gonna reuse the rear subframe. Might buy a new one, I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. I have to decide what diff I'm gonna run to. Yes, so we're gonna do the 6-speed manual trans. Yeah, we'll definitely have a different differential. Okay, so yeah, that's all of it. Lots of shit. I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of the E30 project. This thing's gonna financially ruin me. So, you know, make sure you support the fucking channel. Buy some merch or something. Appreciate you guys. Love you. See you in the next one.